Hey dads! Ever wondered how to keep your little ones safe while still letting them explore the world? Worried about sharp corners, electrical outlets, and slippery bathtubs? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Dad Hacks 101, where we share tips and tricks for navigating the exciting world of fatherhood. Today we're answering all your baby-proofing questions and showing you how to turn your home into a baby-safe fortress. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, our baby gates. These bad boys are like bouncers for your baby. Install them at the top and bottom of stairs, and any room you don't want your little explorer to venture into. Just make sure you don't trip over them yourself. Choking hazards are everywhere. Keep an eye out for small objects like coins, buttons, and toys with tiny parts. Store them out of your baby's reach, or invest in a toy box with a lid to keep those little hands from finding trouble. Tablecloths and runners may look nice, but they can be a hazard when your baby starts pulling on them. Remove them or switch to placemats to prevent accidents involving spilled drinks or pulled down dishes. Let's head to the kitchen. Stove guards are a must-have to keep your baby from accidentally turning on the burners or reaching for hot pots and pans. Cooking should be fun, not a hazard. Next, let's tackle those sharp edges. You know, the ones that seem to have a magnetic attraction to your baby's head. Corner guards are your new best friends. Slap them on tables, countertops, and any other furniture with pointy edges. This way, you can worry less about bumps and bruises during playtime. Now, onto furniture. Bookshelves, dressers, and other tall furniture can be a tipping hazard. Use furniture straps or brackets to secure them to the wall. This way, your baby's climbing adventures won't end in disaster. And let's not forget about those cleaning supplies. You know, the ones that look like colorful, delicious beverages to your baby. Time to invest in some cabinet locks. They'll keep your baby out and your sanity intact. Now let's talk about that massive flat-screen TV you're so proud of. It's time to secure it to the wall. We don't want any surprise TV toppling incidents during the big game, do we? Moving on to electrical outlets. These little holes in the wall are like a siren call to tiny fingers. Keep your baby's curiosity at bay with outlet covers. They're cheap, easy to install, and will save you from a shocking experience. Now let's talk about windows. We all love a good breeze, but open windows can be a hazard for curious little ones. Install window guards or stops to prevent your baby from accidentally falling out. Safety first, dads. Window blind cords can pose a strangulation risk. Install cord cleats or use cordless blinds to keep those cords out of reach. Your baby's safety is worth the upgrade. Slippery rugs can lead to falls and injuries. Place non-slip mats under your rugs to keep them securely in place. It's a simple fix that can make a big difference in your baby's safety. Now let's talk about bath time. We all know how slippery those tubs can get. Grab a non-slip mat and make bath time a splashing success, without any unexpected wipeouts. Bathrooms can be full of hazards too. Install a toilet lock to keep your baby from opening the lid and potentially falling in. It's a simple solution to avoid a messy situation. Finally, invest in a good baby monitor. It's an extra set of eyes and ears when you can't be in the room. With a baby monitor, you can keep an eye on your little one while they sleep or play, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it, dads. With these simple hacks, you've transformed your home into a baby-proof fortress. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the chaos of parenthood with a little more peace of mind. And remember, baby-proofing isn't just about safety. It's about giving you the confidence to let your little one explore and learn without constantly worrying about potential hazards. After all, we want our kids to grow up curious and fearless, just like their dads. Thanks for watching Dad Hacks 101. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more dad-approved hacks. And if you've got any baby-proofing tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time.